The latest effort under the current administration is a nano satellite built by young Nigerian engineers in a collaboration between the National Space Research and Development Agency, NASDA, and the Federal University of Technology, Akure, FUTA. Built and assembled alongside 4 others at the Kyushu Institute of Technology, Japan, Nigeria EduSat-1 is already at the International Space Station, from where it will be deployed to its appropriate orbital location.
Our people are doing this from scratch to the end.
Nigeria EduSat-1 is Nigeria's second indigenous satellite after Nigeria Sat-X, which was built and assembled by Nigerian engineers.
Now, with this feat in nanospace technology, it has taken us to another height.
We need to domesticate this technology here in FUTA.